Hi, I wanted to show you the update to my house since the items giving me more things. So yeah, I already have a refrigerator. I updated the food here, so I cooked some food to update here. And I changed a chair here, I added this, and in the room, I've added this wardrobe, or I don't know if it's right, so I added something here. I might change these chairs, but I'm currently satisfied with how this looks like. And yeah, right now I have a sink, no toilet yet. There was no option for it. There was no toilet for sale for a moment. And here you can actually take a shower. What happened? You can take a shower there. So it just to give you lots energy. And yeah, I wanted to try. I have added some there's music notes, and there's also a new here, my garden. I've updated something else here, there. And there are flowers. This one I'm gonna mature this evening, and this one are cabbage and wheat because I need that for cooking. And I'm checking some new items here. This is honey showcase. I'm not that intrigued there. For this one, ordinary, nope. So nothing interests me so far. And gusto ko ring ipakita sa inyo ang piano. Let's see if marinig ko. We're gonna start with something simple, like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So So, try natin tong Heartopian Melody. Okay. Right. Okay, sorry. Ulit. 1, 5. Mali, ulit. 1. Hindi familiar, no? Try natin to, ha? Yabang ko, no? Hindi ko nga maano yun, eh. Yeah, I know. So, yeah, I think that's about it. My house, and the pop-up din naman, eh. Yeah, so, my house, my garden, some little updates. So yeah, that's about it, and have a great day. And also my clothes, yeah.